How to rewire your brain to lose weight fast at home. Excess weight or obesity is associated with several chronic health conditions. Not only does obesity increase your chances of contracting diseases, but it also increases the risk of pre-existing conditions. For example, a person with average weight has fewer chances of landing in the hospital for COVID-19 than you if you're overweight. Therefore, you'll do yourself and your body a huge favor by losing weight. It's a good thing that most people become overweight due to unhealthy lifestyle choices that their brain has come to interpret as usual. You can change this situation by rewiring your brain to lose weight at home. This video contains practical steps that can help you lose unwanted weight. The connection between your brain and weight. Multiple researchers have linked the brain to the effort to lose weight. They conclude that weight loss has more to do with the mind than an exercise or diet plan. Little wonder some people can't lose weight despite exercising regularly and following a proper diet. Dr. Neha Verma, a psychologist and well-being expert, says uncontrolled emotions can manifest in several unpleasant ways in the body. Increase in sugar levels, weight gain, and more. She concludes that one must adequately train one's brain to lose weight. 7 hacks to rewire your brain to lose weight at home. 1. Mindful eating. One of the most essential ways to rewire your brain to lose weight is practicing mindful eating. When you're conscious of what you eat, you can establish a connection between your stomach and brain. Mindful eating can activate your brain's hypothalamus, which signals the body to stop eating when it's full. However, the hypothalamus doesn't activate when binge eating or using your phone during dinner. This situation results in overeating and increasing your weight. Thankfully, mindful eating can help you avoid overeating. It helps tell your brain how much food you should take to achieve weight loss. 2. Eat your favorite fruit before shopping. A study found that hungry shopping, buying excess food because one is hungry, causes people to fill their shopping baskets and/or trolleys with about 31% more high-kilojoule foods. Another research concluded that eating fruit before hitting the supermarket will help you buy 25% more fruit and vegetables, which are healthy foods. Adding more fruits and veggies to your fridge will add healthier foods to your diet, reducing weight. 3. Embrace positive thoughts about your eating habits. Another effective way to rewire your brain to lose weight fast is having positive thoughts of yourself as a healthy eater. For example, you can label yourself a fruit eater if you want to eat more fruit. Researchers say this action can have a psychological effect on you. That means you're more likely to start eating healthy when you identify as a healthy eater. 4. Keep photographs of healthy foods. Besides thinking about healthy foods, we advise having their photographs in your kitchen or desk. You crave what you see. You'll gradually start craving only healthy foods because that is all your brain visualizes, not unhealthy, calorie-rich snacks. 5. Tap your craving away. If thinking about healthy foods and having their photographs at home doesn't appear to eliminate unhealthy food cravings, try this trick. Count from 30 to 0 backwards and tell your brain that the cravings are leaving with every count. This trick might take some time to work, but will ultimately help. 6. Eat with your dormant hand. It's effortless to get carried away while eating, especially when there's so much distraction. But you can remain conscious of eating by using your dormant hand. If you're left-handed, use your right hand to eat, and vice versa. Eating with your dormant hand can be uncomfortable, disrupting your eating habits. In this case, your brain is forced to be more conscious of how much you're eating, rather than eating with reckless abandon. When you're mindful of the amount of food you eat, you can control it. 7. Serve only healthy foods. Serve only healthy foods by filling your plate with them so that it doesn't have room for unhealthy ones. Constant practice can help your brain reach satiety with healthy foods. In conclusion, Your overeating and weight gain likely have more to do with your brain than anything. You can fix these problems by training or rewiring your brain to consider only healthy choices. This video's 7 hacks offer a great start towards healthy eating and weight loss. Following are references we used in the creation of this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.